friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a unicorn. So first, you can draw it whatever way you want. I'm drawing it this way. You'll make a little triangle, but you can we'll color at the end. You'll make little stripes on the horn. And then you'll make a little circle for the head. Doesn't have to be teensy tiny. And then you'll make a body. Draw it however big you want it. It's okay if you draw it different than me. And then you can draw little legs. You can draw the legs wherever you want. And then we're going to draw the, you always can pause it if you want to. Then we're going to make the little tail. And then there's going to be, maybe I'm going to put different colors on it. And then we'll make her face or him. It can be a her or him. You even can cut this out at the end. All right, now we don't need the book. You guys don't have to copy my drawing, but you can if you want. We're gonna start coloring, and you also can add details. Like I'm gonna add grass to mine and blue, but I might not color the background. It will be blue. So we're gonna start coloring. You guys always can pause. And if you don't have the same color, it's okay. You don't have to copy me. But you can if you want to. You guys always can draw different things than me. You can add different details to yours. You can add anything you want to it. You're an artist, so you can make whatever you want. It's really fun. I know you guys can. You just try your best. You don't have to make it perfect. Just try. It will be fun. And if it looks different, that's what happens. It's different and fun to learn all these cool new stuff. And yeah, it's really fun, and you get to do all different kinds of stuff. It's really fun and cute. It looks so good when you do it. So you just have to keep trying your best. It doesn't have to look the same. You can add even more detailed to it. You can, maybe at the end, you can add more things to it. You don't have to have the same background. You don't have to have the same anything. Just draw whatever you want. Whatever. And just make it. You even can make it into a book. Make it into what you don't have to. You just can have one sheet and it'll make it It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be pretty. It can be any colors you want. Just take your time. Everybody is different. So do whatever you want. You can copy it if you want, but you just love coloring, and you love the school year that we've done. Think about all the crafts you've done at school. It's so fun. You can add whatever you want. You can add so many details to it. Add whatever you want to it. Just add and add. You don't have to finish it today. You always can finish it another day. It's fun. It doesn't have to be what you expect. It doesn't have to be everything. It can be fun and exciting. And you're like, Mom, Dad, can we do this with Ivy? And you guys, I bet, love to do this stuff. And I know it's fun. It's so much fun. You can just learn every day. It's this, in this channel, this reads books and does crafts with you guys. This really fun. And you just gonna do fun things. And it's almost the end of the school year for you guys. So I'm excited because you guys are gonna see me on like every channel that I have. On my channel. It will just be so much fun on this channel. So you wanna get it and be on my channel, and it'll just be so much fun. You know what? Every drawing's different. You can just draw whatever you want. You don't have, I hope you guys can just watch, and then next time you can do this drawing. Or maybe you want to do it right now, and you're just going to start the video all over. It will just be so much fun to learn. Here. And it will just be so much. You guys can copy me, but you don't have to. So, yeah, you guys can have so much fun. This is kind of like, if you watch that for Kids Hub, this is kind of like it. But except, yeah. Alrighty. You guys, you know what? You don't have to finish it. You don't have to do this. You can do it. You don't have to do it. It's fun. And you get to do all kinds of fun things. And it's fun. And you get to learn all these things. So it'll be so nice. And you'll just get it. And it's almost summer. And I hope you guys will have a great summer. So, I hope you guys are doing well. And this is what mine turned out like. If you can pause this. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button down below.